Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make money online trading Forex, trading binary options, and trading crypto. But right now here I have a screen, a platform that I'm using for binary, and this is Pocket Options, okay? And I'll put the link in the description. If you don't have Pocket Options, go ahead and open an account. You can get a demo account, it's free. And actually what I'm doing right now here, I'm just using my demo account for training purposes, okay, to show you one of these strategies. And then we will quickly transition to crypto because it's the in thing right now, and a lot of people are here interested in crypto. We have thousands of you on this webinar today, and we are all routing for cryptocurrency trading, okay? But before I jump onto cryptocurrency, some of the basics that we are learning here with our binary options trading, with our Forex trading, we are going to employ the same skills. Like if we talk about candles, you know, the candles, these little bars here, red and green, you can give them different colors. The same candles are going to apply when you're trading crypto, when you're trading Forex, when you're trading binary, when you're trading stocks. We use the same candles to demonstrate what is going on in the market. The push and shoving between the buyers and the sellers, okay? So, you know, guys, when it is red, that means it started up here, okay, and closed down here, okay? So basically, this was a bearish candle. That means the market started at a higher point and closed at a lower point. That means the sellers came in full force, okay, defeating the buyers in that particular time period, okay? So like, for example, these bars here are 1 minute bars, okay? We can change that from here, and we can have 2 minute bars, 3 minute bars, 5 minute bars, 10 minute bars, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily candles, or what we call daily bars. So each bar here represents a daily activity of what is going on in the market for that particular product, for this particular product here. So let's say if we are trading currencies, we're talking about currency pairs here. So for example, the euro CAD, that is the euro against the Canadian dollar. For example, if we go back here, let me see, I just defaulted back. Let's go back here and see. Okay, let's see, we have the Euro USD, okay, you can see that, and this platform is Pocket Options. You can see here the Euro USD is paying right now 82%, so that means if you get it right, you get 82% profit. So for example, if you put $1, you are going to get $1.82. If you put $100, you're going to get $182, and so on and so forth. If you put $1,000, yeah, you're going to make $1,820, which is 82% of profit, okay? So sometimes you don't have to take a lot of trades. If you have a big account, you can just take one single trade, and if you win, then you hit your daily target. So you must have your daily goal in any form of business online, whether you're trading Forex, you're trading binary, crypto. You must have your daily goal, your weekly, monthly, and of course your annual goal. So if your goal is to make 100K, because you guys remember the last webinars we've been teaching our students and been talking about, our goal is to get about 1,000 of you to 100K per year, okay? We've been doing this for many years. Some of us have been online since 1999. So we've been there, done that. We've gone through all these processes. We've gone through the bear markets. We've gone through the bull markets. So we've seen it. We've gone up the mountains and we've gone down to the valleys. We've been to many countries of the world. We have members, coaches from Japan. Tajimoto is on here. One of our coaches has been with us for over 15 years. We have coaches in America, Mr. Baker from Atlanta, Georgia, United States, and there are many others. I'm just mentioning a few that I can remember offhand. So in the United States, we have so many coaches. We have Anne-Marie, New York, Jose in Sacramento, California. We have folks in Miami. Basically, almost every state, we have 2, 3, 4 people that have gone through our programs, and they're doing very, very well. Name any country in the world, and we have somebody there. Malemala is on here from Cape Town, South Africa, has been with us for many, many years, and he has a network there and many, many other coaches working with him there. If you go to West Africa, for example, Nigeria, or Moses has been with us for many, many years, over 15 years. He's based in Lagos, and he has a network of trainers and coaches and a huge team. If you go to India, for example, we have so many people in different parts of India. Just off my mind, here is Mr. Singh from Bombay, India. We were recently in India. He has over 200 people that are directly working with him, and they are making money online, either trading crypto, trading digital currencies, trading stocks, trading Forex, and also content creation, social, name it, e-commerce. They're in so many online activities. Because here is the thing, guys. If you have to make money online, you have to have multiple sources of income, just like we teach in our Smart Wolf Club. And if you're not a member of the Smart Wolf Club, the link is in the description, guys. Go ahead and join the Smart Wolf Club membership. And if you have any questions, you can join our Telegram group. We just started a new group, the Smart Wolf Club Traders group. Go ahead and join that. If you don't like Telegram, we have WhatsApp. Go ahead and join that and ask your questions, okay? And for those of you who don't want to join any of those and you want to ask and send an email, you believe in sending emails, we have our email address in the description, and it is info@smartwolfclub.com. Shoot an email with your questions, and one of us is going to answer. Like this video, guys. For those of you who are going to watch the replay on YouTube, make sure you like this video. Share this with your tribe, because this information can change somebody's life. The master teacher says, I'm a believer, okay? So the master teacher says, if you teach others to solve their problems, your problems will start going away, okay? So this might not be for you, but you don't know who you're going to touch among your tribe, among your groups, among your social groups. So go ahead and share this and like this video and hit the bell notification so that when we upload our next training, because we normally build up from one training to the next like that. So we form a playlist, we form a series of trainings that if you follow, you are going to learn how to be successful. Now, before I continue, let me put a disclaimer here. None of us, none of our coaches, not even me, are professional financial advisors. Whatever we're providing here is for entertainment and for educational purposes only. So therefore, guys, if you need professional advice, go and seek that from licensed individuals, okay? Because here is the thing. We are sharing our experiences, okay? We do not know your work ethics. We do not know your financial situation. And the basic principle, the basic rule is never invest monies that you cannot afford to lose, because any investment is risky and you can lose part of your investment. You can lose your entire investment. We have lost entire investments in the past. We've gone into deals that just boom, go belly up within, just like any other business, okay? One of my students here is Martha. She used to have very successful restaurants, okay? Restaurant business. They had 3 restaurants which had been in the family for many years, but during the pandemic, they had to shut down the restaurant. So they lost the business, they lost the income. So any business is risky, guys, okay? So not knowing that is being naive. So we are all adults here. Let's exercise what we call due diligence, okay? Before you invest into something, do your own research. And if you need professional help, you can seek that from licensed individuals. None of us here is licensed. We are only providing this for educational purposes, and we are sharing our experiences. And we've been doing this for many years, guys. So now let's jump into this and let me show you something. So on Pocket Options, guys, I have put the link in the description. So the first step is make sure you have a Pocket Option account. It's free to open a free demo account, okay? And you should have at least 1 or 2 platforms that you can work with, so that if one is misbehaving, then you can use the other one. Because someday they're doing maintenance to these platforms, or they're doing something on one platform, and you have a daily goal to meet. So you want to have at least 1 or 2, you should have at least more than 1 platforms that you can trade with. So you can use Pocket Options, or you can also use Quotex, and I have put the links in the description. Okay, the links are in the description, guys. Go ahead and open those accounts. and that is free demo accounts. Okay, you don't need your credit card. All you need is your name and your email address. These are worldwide. Go ahead and open those accounts. Okay, I'll pause this video, guys. Take that one fast action, because I know most people watch these videos, these webinars, and they do not take action. Okay, go ahead and open those accounts. I'm waiting, guys. I'm watching you. Go ahead and take that action. Stop this video if you're watching it on YouTube or any other social media platform. If you're watching it on Facebook Live, if you're watching it on Instagram, if you're watching it on any other, Tumblr, whatever media, Vimeo, go ahead and pause the video and click the links in the description. One for Pocket Option, you just need your name, your email address. Go ahead and open that demo account, okay? Then go again and go to Quotex and open that demo. So you have 2 demo accounts, okay? So trade with one, practice on one, and the same strategies you can use on the other platform and see which one works better for you. Now, once you start succeeding, you can go ahead and go to the live account where you can deposit your funds and you can start trading your funds and you can follow along. We have a lot of trainings on this channel, the Smart Wolf Club channel. If you've not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, okay? I'm watching you guys. I have stopped the video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, okay? Go ahead and subscribe. When you subscribe, something magical happens, okay? YouTube will start sharing this video with a lot of people, and we can change a lot of people's lives, okay? Especially during the pandemic, we started doing these trainings for free. For many, many years, we've been underground, and we've been training a lot of people all over the world how to make money online, and a lot of them are very successful, and some of them are our coaches here. We have Josephine from Sydney, Australia, who's been with us for 12 years. We have Rosemary from Toronto, Canada. She's been with us for over 12 years. We have Marcelina. She's joining us from Madrid, Spain. We have Karinsis, who is joining us from Berlin, Germany. She's been with us for over 13 years. We have Mr. Scott joining us from London, UK. And there are many, many other coaches, okay? So if you join the Smart Wolf Club, guys, that's what I'm telling you. Go ahead and take these actions, okay? Join those clubs, okay? Go ahead and do that. Take action. Don't just watch this video, consume this video, and then go to the next one and never take action. Nothing is going to happen if you don't take action, okay? Everything is your psychology, your mind. If you can control your mind, then you can control the outcome, okay? If you cannot control your mind, then you have given up controlling the outcome. So if your outcome that you desire is to make lots of money online, then you have to control your mind so you can have that desired outcome. And most people fail because they have no capacity to control their mind. And that's why I'm giving that back to you guys. With the power of the Almighty, I pray that you guys get the power back, that you can be able to control your mind, okay? If you can't control your mind, just extract yourself from the circumstances you're in. If you are around negative people, get out of there for a minute and then have a clear mind. Think about it, meditate, think about it, put some goals on paper, okay? Write a few goals on paper, put down your dreams, that dream house, that dream car, that dream vacation, that dream education for your family, for your kids, and put that down, that goal that you have. You want to raise money for your favorite charity. You want to raise funds for your local animal protection charity. So put that down on paper. Put everything on paper, guys. Okay, write down all these goals. Okay, and then put value, money, in terms of money. How much money do you need to raise, and how soon, how quickly do you want to get there? And then let's look at the vehicles that can get you there. Now, some of the things we teach you is the skills that I'm showing here. Using a platform like Pocket Option, you can come here and very simply meet some of your financial goals. You can generate funds from these platforms. Now, does that mean you're going to win all the time? No. Some days you'll come here, take a trade and lose. For example, let me just take a trade here and I can show you how easily it is to lose. And I can also show you how easily it is to win. For example, I have 2 indicators here. One is called the RSI, okay, the Relative Strength Index. You can see what is it, the RSI telling us right now. It's in the middle you can see it's lying in the middle here. So it's an indecision time, okay? And you can see that the market is in an indecision time. So at that moment, it's very risky to take a trade, because if you do, okay, guys, if you take a trade right now, it could go either way. It could go up, it could go down. Now, the D marker is showing us there's a relative strength showing that it is starting to go up. At the same time, it is starting to go down. It's pointing down here. You can see it was going up, and then all of a sudden, it's now pointing down. So it looks like the sellers are coming in. So with these two, I can decide, okay, fine, let me take a sell call. Sorry, I can take a sell here, go down. So in 1 minute, I think the market is going to go down, okay? And I can take a $10 trade. Normally, I trade with about 1% of my account. The risk I take is about 1%. So 1% of this one here is about $12. Okay, so let's say I take a $12 trade, and I say, let's go down. Okay, so now you can see we are in the money, out of the money, in the money, out of the money. Okay, I took a 1 minute trade, and you can see it is out of the money, in the money. So we could lose, we could win. I'm not sure. Okay, your guess is as good as mine here, because right now you can see the market is in a very, very indecisive mode at the moment. So it could either go anyway. It could go up, it could go down. And as you can see, it's actually running away. It's going up. So I'm just showing you how you guys can get into the market, and it doesn't mean you have to win all the time. So that's why we talk about your mindset. You got to have a mindset, okay? So my preliminary analysis shows that there's a likelihood that this market could go either way. It could go up, it could go down. And you can see it is going up because the D marker is pointing up, and now the RSI has started pointing up. So the sellers have come in, so we are going to lose this trade, okay? Now, if we lose this trade, what are we going to do? We're going to take another trade. We're going to take another trade, okay? So they're telling me here you can start using signals now. You can start using signals. So Pocket Options provides you signals. If for those of you who don't want to spend your time trading, you can sign up for this. It's free. You just come here and select start using signals, and you can start using signals from other traders. Okay, you can copy these signals from other traders. Okay, so there's a lot of packs that come with some of these platforms. So just take advantage of all of them. Make sure you're aware of what's going on in the platforms. Okay, so right now you can see. Let's do our analysis here. We can see. Let's look at another pair. Let's see if we can find something interesting. Here you can see this one here has come down, and it is just lying in the middle here, okay? And you can see if we draw our support and resistance lines, you can see we see some support there. We see some resistance up here. So it's just in the middle, okay? A lot of indecision. Okay, that one you can see it's going up and down. Up and down. Okay, let's see if we can just get the ones, not OTC, but let's see if we can get a regular pair like this one here, Euro CAD. Okay, let's look at this one here. You can see, again, if you can see here. So these bars, they're showing you like it is going down, okay? And you can see the RSI is starting to point down. It's dipping below the 50th mark. You can see the marker was here at 70, and now it's pointing down. So there is a strong downward trend here, okay? But the RSI is not gone past the middle line. So there is a chance that this can change and start going up, okay? So that would not be a good one for us to jump in. Okay, now here you can see there's a strong upward trend, and you can see here we had drawn a resistance line up here initially, and you can see this is headed that way. So we can take a call option here, and we can take 2 of those so we can recoup our loss. Okay, and hopefully this will hold. And if this holds, guys, you have just learned how to trade, guys. Very simple. Just using these 2 indicators and drawing a line. This was a resistance line, okay, that we had drawn earlier, resistance line that we had drawn earlier, and we based it on this area here. You can see this was an area where the bars were coming and going down, changing direction. The bars try to go up and they come down, they try to go up and come down. So we have at least 3 bars that are touching this, and that formed our, okay, so this one is going up and down. So hopefully we're going to make this, and you can see, guys, we're in the money. So we're still in the money here. So boom, boom, and we recouped our money and made some profit, guys. Okay, so when this bar reaches here, we can easily get in there and start going down. Okay, so hopefully it's not going to go up. Okay, you can see it's actually changed direction. It is going down. You can see that's going down, so we can actually take a trade going down and we should be in the money. Okay, so this is for profit, guys, so we can take 2 of those. We can even take more of those. Hopefully we'll be in the money. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen for the next 1 minute. Let's see what's going to happen. There's still a lot of indecision, but let's see what's going to happen. They're pushing and shoving, so it might change direction. Yes, it looks like they're breaking that line. Now, if they break that line, we're going to lose, okay? So if they break the line, we are going to lose. And you can see that's what happens. They broke that line. So this is no longer our resistance. It is now becoming our support line. And therefore, it becomes our support line. Therefore, it is going up. So we just keep watching that. Yes, it seems like it became our support line. Okay? So that's what I'm telling you, guys. Losing and winning is part of the game. Okay? So you just make sure you win more than you lose. So right now, you can see this is going up and it is shooting up. So if we draw another line here, let's put another line because that has shifted, so we can have another support resistance line right there. Because it's shooting up for this line here. You can see how the D-marker is gone way, way up here. And the RSI is way, way up here on the 70th. So it's going down. Okay, now while this is going on, we'll come back and look at this. Let's go to crypto because a lot of you are. So we go to CoinMarketCap. Okay, that's one of the websites resources that we use for finding out what cryptocurrencies we should be going into. And you can see here they give you CoinMarketCap. Okay, you can create an account here. It's free. Sign up, just your name, your email address, and your phone number. You don't even need your phone number, so you can go right there, sign up, just your email address. Okay, you can sign up, or you can sign up with Facebook. Continue with Binance, or if you have a wallet like MetaMask, okay, this is a MetaMask wallet right here. All right, you can continue with your wallet, okay, so then it's hooked up and you can start participating in some of these tradings. So right now you can see Bitcoin is, in the last 1 hour, Bitcoin is up by 47%, right now trading at over 27,000. Ethereum is also positive, it's green, going up by 48% today, and you can see it's at 1,800. You can see BNB is also up. So most of the major coins are up today. Okay, so for those of you who had like call options, you are in the money most likely today. Okay, no drawdowns like in the last 1 week. Okay, most of you here today are in the money. Okay, you can see the trending ones, we have Melody meme coin. Okay, so if you click on it, it gives you more information about this Melody meme coin. Okay, for those of you who want to get into this high risk, high return type of tradings, here you go. You can come here and participate in some of these meme coins. Okay, and you can see right here, it tells you can buy. What is a meme coin? If it's something that you believe it's going to go to the moon, to the roof, because you can see in the last 24 hours, this has gone to 86%. Traded has over 10 million of Pepe and ladies. This is the Milady meme coin. Guys, talking about the coins now, okay? So you can see it went up all the way up here, and the trading volume was like 72.7 million. Okay, I like to go for coins at least 100 million and above. Okay, you can see BTC, the Bitcoin, of course, that's the king of all of them, is way over billions. It's in the billion range. You can see market cap is in. Look at Bitcoin, the volume in the last 24 hours. You can see this is in the billions, 13 billion, 710 million, and all that. You can see Ethereum was also in the billions. You can see BNB was in the millions. Okay, 100 million is good. Okay, 100 million is good. Those are the ones that I spend my time trading with. Okay, this is not financial advice, but if you want the high risk, high quick, high returns, then you can venture into coins like this here. They have now a Saudi Pepe. Okay, you see the Saudi Pepe is it's capped at market cap is 4 million. So these are high risk, high rewards. Okay, so this is something maybe you might enter 1 minute, 1 hour, 2 hours, and it starts dumping. Okay, so they pump these up and then they start dumping, and that's when most people lose money. But using like the Uniswap platform, okay, you can swap these coins or you can stake these coins. You can provide liquidity, and that's how you make your money, okay, by providing liquidity, those tokens, then you can make money that way. Now, those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, you can subscribe to the channel, because we'll be sharing a lot of these now with our students. We have a whole group of crypto lovers who has joined our student. We have over 1,000 students here who joined us in the last few weeks who are into crypto trading, okay? Right now, they're talking about the market preparing for a bull run, the next bull run. We don't know exactly when, but you can see based on the macro economic factors, where they're talking about interest rates, the Fed talking about slowing down on increasing the interest rates. Maybe that could be a good sign for some people, okay? So again, not financial advice, guys, but what we are saying is, if you look at the previous charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, have we reached the bottom for Bitcoin? Nobody knows, okay? Bitcoin could fall under 20, Bitcoin could go to 12,000, nobody knows, okay? But the next bull run, because we know 2024, there's the halving of Bitcoin, that's probably going to create another bull run, okay? So the best thing is to do what we call DCA, dollar cost averaging, okay? Again, not financial advice here, but that could be probably a good strategy to adopt. That's what most of our coaches are doing now, DCAing, okay? DCA, this is dollar cost averaging, okay? So you just, instead of trying to time the market, trying the bottom, because you'll always be late. You either come in too late or come in too early, and you get a drawdown. So the best thing is to do what we call dollar cost averaging in these major coins, okay? So the Bitcoins, the Ethereums, the BNB, Solano, XRP, okay? Chainlink, you know, any of these at over 100 million. These are which are capped at over 100 million. You can see market cap. There's quite a few that are over 100 million. Okay, look at the daily trading volumes. If we sort it out, you can see right here, there's a bunch of coins that are over 100 million. You can see XRP is at 1 billion today. The volume, trading volume for the last 24 hours. You can see that there's a lot. Litecoin, Polygon. You can see that Polygon is at this. It's over 100 million. It's at 308 million. Okay, so those are some of the coins that I look at in my DCAing and in my strategies. Okay, so guys, with that, I'm going to end this so that we don't make it too long. Okay, guys, so subscribe to the channel, guys. Okay, so and hit the bell notification so you can be notified for our next training video, where we're going to take you step by step and show you how you can get your own wallets, because some people are asking me on the chain, how do they get the MetaMask wallet? There are many wallets out there. You can have MetaMask, you can have your own wallet, you know, like through the Ledger Nanos. We're going to put the links in the description for you so you can get your own. If you want to, they say, if not your keys, not your crypto, right? That's what they say in the crypto world. So where you can control your own keys. So that means you have full control of your coins. Okay. All right. So CoinMarketCap is a good resource. Another resource is the CoinGecko. All right, guys. So you can go to the CoinGecko and you can check right here, CoinGecko. This one here. Okay, so there's a lot of, sometimes to log on to this, I use a VPN so that you don't expose your IP addresses. Most likely use a VPN. There's free ones and there's paid ones. Okay, I'll put a link in the description for one that I use, guys. Okay, VPN, okay, can protect your IPs. When you're going into all these cryptocurrencies. So you can see here again, CoinGecko gives you all the news, gainers and losers. It shows you who are the biggest losers. So like the top losers here, you can see some of them. We do not know these names. They have very, very small volumes. Okay, so these are pump and dump. Okay, this is where like one whale will come in and pump this coin, and then all of a sudden, once they get their target, they dump it, and you're left holding the bags. So that's why you got to be careful, guys. You got to do your own due diligence, research, and a lot of this information you can get it from CoinGecko, the Bitcoin, the crypto news. If you got some of the the big Twitter accounts where they share the news, what they call airdrops, okay, tokens, airdrops. You get all those alerts, so go and sign up for some of those. Okay, we're going to put some of those in the description, guys. And of course, we're going to be sharing more of this information on what our members are doing, what our coaches are doing, so that you can be making what we call informed decisions, guys. So guys, with that, I'm going to end this. If you have any comments, please leave your comments on the below the video, the replay video, guys. And those of you who have not subscribed to our Smart Wolf Club channel, please go ahead and subscribe. We want to get to 1,000 subscribers so that YouTube can start sharing this with a lot of people, because this is critical information. Is Bitcoin going to go away? Well, that's a question we can try to answer, but there's a lot of opinions out there. One guy says he thinks Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million. He's betting on that. Okay. What do you think the Bitcoin is going to be in the next bull run? It's going to hit 100,000 because last bull run Bitcoin was almost 70K. I think it did hit up to 70K. Okay, we can find that very easily by going to the Bitcoin chart. You can look at the Bitcoin chart and go back last 2 years and see where we got to. I think we got about 70K. Okay, And are we going to see 100,000 Bitcoin, $100,000 Bitcoin? Are we going to see $1 million Bitcoin? That is a question. So is Bitcoin going to get to 100,000, or is Bitcoin going to get to $1 million in the next bull run? Let me know your views. Let me see that in the comments. Okay, guys? A lot of guys I can see on the chat here are bullish. Okay, somebody saying Bitcoin is going to be 10 million during our lifetime. Yes, I can't doubt that. I mean, you remember not long ago, Bitcoin was just under $1, right? Okay, not long ago, Bitcoin was under $1. So somebody saying during our lifetime, Bitcoin will be 10 million. When there's mass adoption, it's very easy to get there. When everybody sees Bitcoin as a store of value, then it's going to get there very easily. But, you know, there's a lot of pushing and shoving from their naysayers and those who are saying, who are supporting the crypto. So once we come to an agreement and have the right, every platform, every rule being followed, the rules being followed, and the mass adoption being followed, then it's very easy to get to what you're saying, my friend. Okay. So, but for now, let's leave it at that. Just do your due diligence, exercise utmost care. Okay. Don't just go crazy on buying these coins and all that. Okay. Just, what I say is just invest, buy with monies that you can afford to lose. Okay. Because you can lose everything. Okay. Just like with any trading, crypto, Forex, stocks, any other online business, any venture where you're putting your money at risk, you stand a chance to lose all your investment. So you exercise care and utmost caution and proper risk management. Okay, maybe you can diversify your risk. Okay, instead of just buying one coin, maybe you can take a few multiple coins. Okay, so you can divide your risk, as they say. Okay, guys. So let's end it there, and let's go back to this here, and let's just end it here. You can see what's going on here. You guys, you can see we are just it's a trending market right now. Here you can see there's these three here that have formed. Okay, and I can draw a line here. Let's go back here and draw an horizontal line here. There's three. It's like a strong resistance line there. Okay, and we can put this 30 seconds. Okay, these are some of the pro hacks that I'm showing you guys. So this is when this hits this, I'm going to take a trade. Okay. Now it's gone away. So if it hits this, I'm going to take a trade, a 30-second trade, and see if we're going to be in the money. Okay. All right. I'm just waiting for it to go down. There we go. Okay. I'm going to jump in there for 30 seconds and let's see if we will make some money. And we can see we are at 18 seconds now. Okay. This is a pro hack, guys. I just wanted to regain all my losses. Just show you that you can make your money very easily. Okay. And there we go, guys. Boom, boom. All the money that we lost, we made it back before the end of the video, guys. See ya, guys. Subscribe. Okay. See you.